Warning, 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 this is alert being broadcasted by the New South Wales State Police. Warning, warning, this is alert being broadcasted by the New South Wales State Police. A Class 3 threat is occurring. Please follow the instructions you are about to hear. Please stand by, please stand by, please stand by. Lock all your doors, windows, etc. Don't answer the door for anyone, no matter who they may be, who what they say. Lastly, don't look at the sky or anything that's up outside. Make sure you can't see out the window and no one can see in. If you have a peephole, put tape over it, and do not look outside. Make sure you have a battery power. Radio updates continue there.